night's embrace, I beheld your gentle face. Silent steps, you softly came, carved your place within my flame. You are the dew on my barren heart, a tender gift the clouds impart. Like rivers shining in the sun, you touch my soul with every dawn. With tempest wild I've danced through time, through endless darkness truth is mine. The song of solitude I sing will rest within your heart one spring. Each autumn bloom at morning's rise whispers my truth before your eyes. Each moonlit night